Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of iDeviceGuide. This is Punit Khatri back with another video. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to reset your iPhone. So there are various options and ways in which you can go ahead and reset your iPhone. Couple of are like just resetting the home screen, resetting your settings, only the network settings or your entire device. So resetting your iPhone leads to losing your data, and we don't want anyone to lose their personal data and information. So we recommend that you go ahead and take a backup of your iPhone. So either you can take it on your iCloud drive or on your iTunes, on your computer, or wherever you prefer to take that. But just for your information and making this process of you backing up your iPhone a little easier, there would be a link in the description. If you click on that link, you'll be taken to our website, and there is an article mentioned how you can go ahead and take a complete backup of your iPhone so that you don't lose even a single text or a photo when you try to restore it. Alright, so guys, now getting back to the topic of this video, how to reset your phone. So without wasting any bit of time, let's get started.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icons to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Alright, so guys, in order to go ahead and reset your iPhone, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on settings, scroll down, tap over general, scroll all the way down and tap on the second last option that says reset. So once you tap over here, you can get a couple of options here to reset, and we are going to go ahead and discuss all of these options so you don't have any confusion as in which option to select and what will be resetted if you select a particular option. So going with the first option, that's reset all settings. So as the name reads, all the settings on your iPhone that you did from the day one will be resetted. So including your settings such as your wallpaper, your lock screen wallpaper, your ringtones, and everything will be reset. Talking about the second option, erase all content and settings. So if you wish to go ahead and make your iPhone a fresh one, or like feel a fresh iPhone, or resetting to factory settings, that's what this option does. Erase all content and settings, everything will be erased from your iPhone, and I prefer you do this only after ensuring that you have a complete backup of your iPhone. The third option we have is reset network settings. So network settings such as your cellular data configurations, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, all these things are considered as your network settings. So if you want to reset those, everything will be resetted if you select this option. The fourth one we have is reset keyboard dictionary. So if you have added up particular words to your keyboards, they are saved on your iPhone, and if you wish to delete them or if you wish to reset that particular dictionary, you can select this option. Second last option we have is reset home screen layout. So if you wish to go ahead and have the default layout that Apple has set for all the iPhones, you can select this option to get that layout, and all the app structure and the layout will be resetted. The last one is reset location and privacy. So all your location settings and changes on configurations you have made, everything will be resetted if you select this particular option. Alright, so guys, now I hope that you enjoyed this video. This video was all about how you can go ahead and reset your iPhone in different ways and options, and thereby also ensuring that you have a safe backup of your iPhone's data. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you then feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. If you enjoyed it too much, go ahead and share with your friends so that they can also know how to go ahead and reset their iPhones. And do not forget to subscribe us, because there is some great content coming up, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that, about WWDC and iOS 13, AirPods 2, a huge bunch of rumors going around, and we are going to cover everything. So make sure you don't miss that, and that's why you need to go ahead and subscribe iDeviceGuide. And that's about it. If you have any questions, do feel free to comment down below in the description. We'll make sure to reply to them. That's about it, and I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Peace out.